In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge QuickBooks accounts. Merging accounts in QuickBooks can be a great way to declutter and organize your financial data, especially if you've accidentally created duplicate accounts or need to consolidate information. Whether you're tidying up your chart of accounts or needing a fresh start, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of merging accounts in QuickBooks Online. It's important to follow these steps closely to ensure everything is done correctly and seamlessly. So let's get started. First, you'll want to go to QuickBooks Online. If you're not already there, open your internet browser and type in the QuickBooks Online URL. This is your gateway to managing all your financial records, so familiarizing yourself with this space is crucial. Once on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This is your first step toward accessing the accounts you may need to merge. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Carefully type in your email address and your password associated with your QuickBooks account. This information is essential to ensure your account's security and to give you access to your financial data. After you've filled in your details, click the Sign In button. This action will log you into your QuickBooks account and bring you to the dashboard that displays all of your business's financial information and tools. Once you are logged into QuickBooks Online, head over to Settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon, and you'll find it located at the top of the page. Clicking it will open a menu that leads to various settings within QuickBooks, including where you can manage your accounts. Within the settings menu, look for Chart of Accounts. Clicking on this will lead you to a comprehensive list of all your current accounts within QuickBooks. The Chart of Accounts is essentially an index of all your financial accounts and is pivotal when trying to manage or merge them. Now it's time to identify the accounts you want to merge. To do this, find the search function or scroll through the list until you locate the accounts you intend to consolidate. Carefully type in or select the account name you wish to merge. Finding the correct account ensures that you don't accidentally merge the wrong data, which could lead to discrepancies in your financial records. Once you've identified the account, you will notice a drop-down arrow next to it. Clicking on this arrow reveals more options related to the account. This drop-down is your gateway to editing the account, a key part of the merging process. Now that the drop-down menu is visible, click on Edit. This opens the account settings where you'll be able to make the necessary adjustments to merge it with another account. Within the edit settings, you'll need to change the account name to exactly match the name of the account you want to merge it with. Precision here is vital because QuickBooks relies on exact matches to merge accounts. Take a moment to double check the spelling and formatting of the account name to ensure an exact match. After updating the account name to match the one you want to merge with, click on Save. This crucial action tells QuickBooks to start recognizing these accounts as one. You'll then be prompted with a confirmation message asking, "Yes, merge accounts?" Click on this option to finalize the merging process. This step consolidates the financial data from both accounts into one, making your financial records more streamlined and easier to manage. And there you have it. You've successfully merged accounts in QuickBooks Online. This process not only combines the transactions and histories of the two accounts, but also helps maintain a more organized chart of accounts. It simplifies your accounting tasks and ensures that your financial data remains accurate and up to date. Remember, merging accounts is a permanent action in QuickBooks Online. Once you've merged accounts, the action cannot be undone. So make sure that you have double checked and are absolutely certain about the accounts you plan to merge. If there's uncertainty or if these steps feel a bit overwhelming, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional accountant or a QuickBooks support specialist. They can provide guidance specific to your business needs or address any questions you might have during the merging process. The aim here is to make your financial management smoother and more efficient. Keeping an organized chart of accounts is integral to achieving that. Stay tuned for more tutorials that can help you navigate QuickBooks Online with ease. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more helpful tips and tricks.